This Berkshire Hathaway Home Services Towne Realty property video is presented by Annette Ladevig Day. Wonderful Cape Cod with many upgrades. 2016 new roof. 2021 new kitchen with stainless steel appliances. Updated laundry room with storage and a great sunroom with back door entrance from deck, garage and the 2 driveways. Hardwood floors throughout the large living room and dining room, extra large, and the 2 downstairs bedrooms. Downstairs full bathroom has both the old charm and some upgrades, the same with the upstairs full bathroom. Upstairs bedrooms are very large, and here you will find the beautiful hardwood floors too. Fenced backyard with plenty of space for parking and playing. Air conditioner installed 2015 including duct work. For more information, review the details below.